Hello my beautiful people, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, I welcome you. Please consider subscribing before you go. To all my channel members and all my supporters, thank you so much for the love. As you can see by the title, I am making this quick and easy cake. No oven, no problem. Just do this in the microwave. 5 minutes and we have a cake. Quick and easy. Let's see how I do this one.
Yeah, man, cinnamon. For you hear the voice, you're supposed to know say a chat boss, right? I'm gonna represent for the best cooking channel you don't know. You must say, Sister J, the food tastes nice, Caribbean cuisine, so please subscribe. As you start cook me, I have to do it every time. Share with my friend them, comment, like. Sister J, them say it tastes nice every time when you cook all my finger, my bite. Food delicious, me have to do it every time. Share with my friend them, comment, like. Sister J, real top chef that a fuck. Chop, 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 chop. Chop the.
So this is a 5 minutes cake that I'll be making in the microwave in a cup. So guys, here are the ingredients that I'm using. I have some nutmeg, some pecan, cranberries, cherries, flaxseed, dates, vanilla, rose water, applesauce, water. Guys, this cake is also eggless cake. So I won't be using no butter, no eggs. I'll be using applesauce and flaxseed as my binding agent. So guys, here is a rundown of all the ingredients again. Take a second look. Yes. So now I'm spraying the cup and I'm adding some applesauce to that. 2 tablespoons of applesauce. And then I'll be adding the flaxseed with the chia seed. And then I'm adding some vanilla essence, some rose water, and I'm adding some water to that. I'm just going to mix up everything. So now I'm adding my cherries and my cranberries. And now I'm adding my pecan. And here I'm cutting up the dates. And the dates is using as my sweetener, guys, because I'm not adding no sugar to this. So yes. And right now I'm adding some more water to that. And I'm just mixing up the fruits. Here I'm mixing up the baking powder, the flour, and the nutmeg together. And now I'm just going to mix everything together. And I'm just going to mix and combine. So yes, guys, this is ready. I'm just going to put my cake in the microwave for 5 minutes. And after 5 minutes, we'll be having cake. 5-minute cake done in the microwave. And there you have it. I'm testing my cake with a toothpick and it came out clean, so that means the cake is baked. Oh guys, look at this cake here. I just pour it out the cup and it's on the plate. And yes, it came out nicely. This is a egg-free. Oh my God. This is an egg-free cake. And look at that, guys. Look, you can see it's soft. It's not hard. And you see what I use for my rising and binding agent. Yes, guys. No oven needed. And we have a cake. Vegan friendly. Wow. Looks delicious. I thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, share, and comment. And if you haven't yet subscribed, please consider doing so. Take care of yourself and loved ones. Be safe. Eat good, live good, walk good, pray good. One love, guidance, blessings.
Mr. J, the food tastes nice, Caribbean cuisine, so please subscribe. As you start cooking, you have to do it every time. Share with my friend them, comment. Sister J, the food tastes nice, Caribbean cuisine, so please subscribe. As you start cooking, you have to do it every time. Share with my friend them, comment, like. Sister J, them say it tastes nice every time. When you cook all my finger, my bite. Food delicious, me have to do it every time. Share with my friend them, comment, like. Sister J, real top chef that a fuck. Chop, 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 chop. Chop the potato, chop the carrot. What leap of spice of it there in the